They think it's easy, but 99% got it wrong. Let's find out why.
So we got the problem right here is the x in the denominator. We cannot time x minus 2 to the right hand side because we don't know whether x minus 2 is a positive number or a negative number. If x minus 2 is a positive number, we can just bring it to the right hand side. And if x minus 2 is the negative number, we need to switch the inequality side. To eliminate x minus 2, I need to multiply x minus 2 square on the left hand side and on the right hand side. We cannot have x equal to 2. Now I'm going ahead to multiply x minus 2 square on the left hand side and x minus 2 square on the right hand side. Now I have 2x plus 1. On this multiply with x minus 2. Because I time x minus 2 square on the left hand side, x minus 2 square cancel x minus 2, I have left with x minus 2. And on the right hand side, I have x minus 2 square. Now you need to remember that you don't want to expand this bracket and expand that bracket and then simplify them and then you have to factorize them again. You don't want to do that. What you want to do is you move everything to the right hand side and then we have x minus 2 and x minus 2 in common. We just collect the common factors. Now I move all of this to the right hand side to become minus. Now I have x minus 2 square minus 2x plus 1, x minus 2. And all of this is greater than or equal to 0. Now what we're going to do is we factorize x minus 2 out. Now I'm just going to factorize x minus 2 out. I will have left with x minus 2. All of this multiply with x minus 2 minus 12x minus 1. All of this is greater than or equals 0. Now I'm just going to go ahead and simplify this bracket. Now we have x minus 2 and x minus 2x I have minus x. Negative 2 minus 1 I have minus 3. All of this is greater than or equals 0. And then I need to solve for this inequality. And then I need to sketch this parabola out. Now I have, if I solve this, I'm going to have x equal to 2. And over here, x have to be equal to negative 3. Now the intercept with this parabola is negative 3 and 2. And if you do the inspection for x squared, you will see x times negative x, you have negative x squared. So the coefficient of x squared is negative. That means this parabola is concave down. And then you can see that this parabola is greater than, this inequality is greater than or equal to 0. I need to show you this area over here. And then we can make the conclusion that therefore x, and then we can make the conclusion that x is in between negative 3 and 2. Now you need to remember this. X has to be greater than or equal to negative 3, but x has to be less than 2. Thank you very much for watching.